Crisis averted. Motor Grrl at Babe's Ride Out had a jump box for us to use, which was awesome. Oops, shit. I want to be in neutral to start. So, yeah. Now we can go. All gassed up, ready to fly. And I think I found out why they call it Narrowsburg, because it's like really narrow. Nestled right in here between the Catskill Mountains and the Delaware River. And the Pennsylvania border. Let's see if we can't hit this light right. Narrowsburg Motors. Wow. Not for sale. Hey, look, a BMW. And I'm into third gear. Woohoo! So not sure how long this battery is going to last, but hopefully it will make it all the way to Hawk's Nest, which is going to be our next stop in about 30 miles. Oh yeah, I'm glad I did it this way. Sit back and enjoy the ride of what is 97 South.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today
good, everybody? You good? Wow. Oh, I'm still blinking. Yay! Hawk's Nest, everybody.